morning, everyone. Today is a wonderful day.
Emma has no idea that today will be very different.
Wait, what happened?
Emma can't believe her eyes. My coffee cup is pink.
Dad, did you paint the kitchen?
No, I just woke up. Now Dad is confused too.
I didn't decorate this kitchen.
Is this someone's joke?
I love pink! Every mystery begins with curiosity.
Everything is pink, even the milk. Look, the bread is in a pink bag. I didn't buy these.
Who could have done this?
I love this magical kitchen.
I didn't decorate this kitchen.
Is this someone's joke?
I love pink! Every mystery begins with curiosity.
Everything is pink, even the milk. Look, the bread is in a pink bag. I didn't buy these.
Who could have done this?
I love this magical kitchen. I've never eaten a pink breakfast before.
I hope my coffee still tastes normal.
Let's see if the food is magical too.
Pink pancakes are best. Wait, look.
It changed back.
That's impossible.
Maybe the magic is disappearing.
Don't go away, Pink Kitchen.
It's gone. Everything is normal again.
Did that really happen?
I wish we had taken a picture.
Nobody at school will leave us.
We'll find out when the...
Good morning. I can't wait to see today's surprise.
Emma, wait for me. Yesterday was pink, but today will be even more magical.
Wow, this isn't our living room.
It's a jungle.
Look, butterflies. Hello, little butterfly. That bird almost touched my hair.
Everything feels so peaceful. Nature always has beautiful surprises.
Listen, I hear water.
Let's go and see.
Stay together, everyone.
This is the coolest house ever.
Hello, little squirrel. It is so cute.
I think it wants us to follow it. The tiny squirrel seems to know a secret.
Wow, this tree is glowing. I've never seen anything like this.
Magic always leaves a light behind.
The glowing tree is hiding.
Wow, this tree is glowing. I've never seen anything like this.
Magic always leaves a light behind. But the glowing tree is...
Wow, this tree is glowing. I've never seen anything like this.
Magic always leaves a light behind. The glowing tree is hiding something special.
Look, a little key.
What does it open?
Maybe a treasure box. Let's find the lock. There's a secret door. Let's open it.
Stay close, everyone. I think the house is trying to tell us something.
I think this key belongs here.
Be careful, Emma.
We're right behind you. Sometimes courage opens magical doors.
Look, there's a book.
Maybe it has the answers.
Let's read it together.
I can't wait.
Every magical story begins with a book.
The book is opening by itself.
Nobody is touching it.
It's magic.
Let's listen carefully.
The magical book begins to tell its story.
Our whole house? We're gonna be tiny too? That's funny.
The adventure is only beginning.
That's our house. But everything looks different.
Who are those children?
The book is showing the house's past.
House?
We're going to be tiny too?
That sounds funny. Good morning. Oh, the book was right. Our house is tiny today. The hallway is full of stars. It's so beautiful.
I've never seen anything like this.
My teddy is laughing.
The stars are magical.
This is awesome.
Magic becomes brighter when we stay together.
My teddy is laughing. The stars are magical.
This is awesome!
Magic becomes brighter when we stay together.
Oops, I think this sofa is too small for me.
Today we must sit very gently. Look, tiny cookies.
They're so cute.
Everything is small today, even breakfast.
Thank you, little friend.
The mouse is helping us.
What a kind little mouse.
Can we be friends? It's a map. Where does it go? Let's find out together.
Every map tells a story.
The map is alive. Look, a secret door. Look, let's open it.
Stay together, everyone. Hello, is anyone here?
I hear someone laughing. Maybe they're friendly.
Magic always welcomes kind hearts.
Did you see that?
The clock is glowing.
Calling us. Let's go together.
Another magical surprise is waiting.
Hello, friends. Hello. What's your name? You're so cute. Welcome to our village.
Everyone is so friendly.
This place feels magical.
I love this adventure.
Please follow me
Where are we going?
to the oldest place in our village.
A new secret is waiting. Make one kind wish.
I wish our family stays happy forever.
True magic begins with a kind heart.
There's another door. It's inside the tree.
This tree is very old. That's all.
It's beautiful.
This is the heart of kindness. The greatest magic is kindness.
It feels warm.
The heart of kindness shines when families care for each other.
Kindness is the greatest treasure.
These are our memories.
Every happy moment is here.
Our family made this magic.
Every morning, your house chooses one magical surprise.
Because we love each other?
Yes, love makes every home magical.
Do we have to go home?
Don't worry, we'll meet again.
Thank you, Pip.
Every magical adventure must come to an end.
We're home.
That was unforgettable.
What an amazing adventure. But the magic isn't over yet.
I wonder what tomorrow will bring.
Every sunrise brings a new surprise. Tomorrow is another magical day.
Did you hear that?
The magic is back.
Let's go.
A brand new surprise is waiting to...
Wow. I can't believe it.
What did Emma see? We'll find out in the next episode.
Wow. I can't believe it.
What did Emma see? We'll find out in the next episode.